Need to have your house cleaned thoroughly? Home cleaning services are perfect for the job. But you're probably wondering, should you opt for a regular cleaning schedule or book a one-time cleaning session? The right cleaning service can make all the difference in your home, so let's help you choose what's right for you. First, you'll need to understand your cleaning needs. Do you need a consistent cleaning routine? Or perhaps you only need a deep clean for a special occasion? Regular house cleaning is a great choice if you want to keep your home clean and tidy all year round. You can choose a schedule that caters to your lifestyle. If there are any areas that need extra attention, you can simply discuss it with the cleaners beforehand. However, there are some drawbacks to this setup. For one, it requires a long-term commitment. You're basically booking recurring cleaning sessions. A fixed schedule may not work for everyone. What if your availability changes frequently? What if you have irregular work hours? It can become difficult to accommodate a consistent cleaning schedule. But what about one-time house cleaning services? These are perfect if you only need help with deep cleans, like before the Chinese New Year or when you have friends staying over for a few days. You have the freedom to schedule a cleanup exactly when you need it. But there's a catch. This service may seem more affordable, but not if you book frequent deep cleanings. The regular scheduled ones can be more cost-efficient in the long run. One-time cleanings also cost more during peak seasons, so make sure you've got the budget for them. No matter which option you choose, make sure to communicate your needs clearly with your cleaning service. By doing so, they can deliver the best possible results for your household. So what type of cleaning service have you decided on? Remember to choose the best for your lifestyle so you can have more peace of mind when you come home.